Good morning. Welcome to all classes Padmavati Junior College. My name is Keshav Bhattachala, lecturer in physics. So last class we discussed to find electric potential of a dielectric pole on axial line and equator line. Now we discuss capacitance. Capacitance. Okay. So, what is the meaning of capacitance and capacitor? Next topic, we discuss capacitance and capacitors. What is the equivalence of capacitance in series connection? What is the equivalence capacitance in parallel connection? So this is the last topic of this chapter. Okay. Now we discuss capacitance. What is the meaning of capacitance? Capacitance means the property of holding charge by a body. The property of charge by a body is called its capacity, its capacitance. Okay, what is the meaning of capacitance? Capacitance means the property of holding charge by a body is called its capacitance. Okay, holding charge. Okay, so this is the capacitance, the definition of capacitance. Okay, so what is the meaning of capacity? The difference between capacity and capacitance. Okay, now we discuss capacitance. Okay, now we discuss capacity. Capacity means the capacity of a conductor the capacity of a conductor is defined as the ratio of charge and potential. The ratio of, what is the meaning of capacity? The capacity of a conductor is defined as the ratio of charge and its potential. That is equals to capacity. C is equals to Q by V. Capacity C is equals to Q by V. What is the meaning of capacity? Capacity means the capacity of a conductor is defined as the ratio of charge and its potential. Here, capacity C is equals to Q by V. Here, Q is said to be charge and V is said to be potential. Therefore, the ratio of potential and charge of a conductor is said to be capacity. Therefore, the SI unit of capacity. SI unit of capacity, Coulomb per volt. What is the units of capacity? Coulomb per volt or picofarad, and that means mu f. This is microfarad and pf, picofarad. Okay, so that means and mf, millifarad. So that means 1 mf equals to 10 to the power minus 5, and 1 mu f equals to 10 to the power 6.5. 1 pf equals to 10 to the power minus 12.5. By using practical purpose, the units of capacity is said to be microfarads and picofarads and millifarads. These are the units of capacity. These are the units of capacity. Now we discuss what is the meaning of capacitor. What is the meaning of capacitor? What is the meaning of capacitor? Capacitor means a capacitor is a arrangement of storing a large amount of electric charge. Okay, a capacitor is an arrangement of storing a large amount of electric charge. A large amount of electric charge in a small space. In a small place. Okay, this is the definition of capacitor. Okay, so what is the meaning of capacitor? Capacitor means a capacitor is a arrangement of storing a large amount of electric charge in a small place. A large amount of electric charge in a small place is called capacitor. Capacitor means the storing of electric charge. Okay, the instrument, the storing of electric charge is called capacitor. The capacitor means electric charge is stored capacitor. Capacitor is said to be one of the instrument. Okay, this is the difference between capacitance and capacity and capacitor. Okay, we know the three definitions clearly. Okay, once again discuss capacitance. Capacitance means the property of holding charge by a body. Body is called capacitance. Okay, holding charge by a body is called its capacitance. Okay, capacity. The capacity of a conductor is defined as the S of charge and its potential, or charge and potential. That is, capacity C is equals to Q by V. This is the capacity. Okay. Now the units of capacity, coulomb per volt, or farad. By using practical purpose, the farad is the units of microfarad and pf, picofarad, and mf, millifarad. Okay, these are the concepts of capacity. Now we discuss capacitor. A capacitor is an arrangement of storing a large amount of electric charge in a small place. Okay, this is the concept. So now symbol of capacitor. Capacitor, this is the symbol. This is the equal. This is the symbol of capacitor. This is the symbol of capacitor. This is said to be fixed. This is said to be fixed. Okay. And this is also one of the capacitor. This is also one of the capacitor. Here symbol is said to be this. So this is variable. Variable capacitor. variable capacitor. Okay, symbol of capacitor is this fixed. This is variable. What is the difference between variable capacitor and fixed capacitor? Fixed capacitor means in a circuit a fixed capacitor is used. Don't use any higher capacitance or lower capacitance. This is the fixed capacitor. This is the by using purpose of fixed capacitor. So variable capacitor means here the variable capacitor is used in a circuit. The variable capacitor is used in a circuit. Here the replace of any higher capacitor or lower capacitor. Okay, this is the main use of variable capacitor. Main use of variable capacitor. Are you understand? Listen here. So fixed capacitor means ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ ఒక సర్క్యూట్ లో మనం తీసుకునేటప్పుడు ఫిక్స్డ్ కెపాసిటర్ అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనకి ఒక సర్క్యూట్ లో ఇలా తీసుకున్నాం. ఒక సర్క్యూట్ లో ఇలా తీసుకున్నాం. ఇలా తీసుకుంటే దీన్ని మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, ఒక బ్యాటరీకి ఇలా కనెక్ట్ చేసాం. దిస్ ఈజ్ పాజిటివ్ టెర్మినల్, దిస్ ఈజ్ నెగటివ్ టెర్మినల్. సో హియర్ ద కెపాసిటెన్స్ మీన్స్ 1 μF అని సర్క్యూట్ లో ఇట్లా తీసుకుంటాం. అంటే దట్ మీన్ ఏంటి, ఇక్కడ ఆ సర్క్యూట్ లో దాన్ని రీప్లేస్ చేస్తూ 1 μF ఉపయోగించాలి. 1 μF కంటే లో వాల్యూ యూజ్ చేసినా హై వాల్యూ యూజ్ చేసినా సర్క్యూట్ అనేది ఏమవుతుంది, డ్యామేజ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, నథింగ్ బట్ సో దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్క్యూట్. So this is one of the circuit. So here the symbol of capacitor in this way. So here that means 1 μF or any capacitor. By using in replacing a variable capacitor, by using any higher or lower capacitor are used in a circuit. Okay, అంటే ఈ సింబల్ ఉంది అంటే దాని అర్థం ఏంటి, ఆ సర్క్యూట్ లో మనము లోవర్ వాల్యూ కానీ హైయర్ వాల్యూ కెపాసిటెన్స్ ఉండేటటువంటి కెపాసిటర్ ని మనం యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు అని అర్థం. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ కెపాసిటెన్స్ అండ్ కెపాసిటీ అండ్ కెపాసిటర్. నౌ వి డిస్కస్ ద ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కెపాసిటర్. ద ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కెపాసిటర్. ఓకే, the principle of a capacitor. The capacitor of any insulated the capacitor of an insulated, the capacitor of insulated conductor, the capacitor of insulated conductor is increased considerable by bring her it an uncharged earth conductor. So this is the principle of capacitor. What is the meaning of principle of capacitor? The capacitor of a insulated conductor is increased considerable by a bring having an uncharged earth conductor. Okay, so this is one of the capacitor. So this is negative charge, this is positive charge. So now one of the insulated conductor bring in uncharged earth conductor, uncharged So this is the charged by earth. Charged by earth. This is the positive charge. Okay. So conductor means the arrangement of is nothing but said to be conductor means the two metal slabs are adjusted some dielectric material is also said to be capacitor. Is also said to be capacitor. Capacitor means this is the one of the conductor slab. So this is one of the conducting slab. So with these two conductors separated from distance and arrangement some dielectric substance. Some dielectric substance. So this arrangement is said to be capacitor. Okay. So here the principle of capacitor, the capacity of a insulated conductor is increased consumable by bringing it an uncharged electric conductor. So this is the principle of capacitor. This is the principle of capacitor. Now we discuss the capacitors. More than 3 capacitors or n capacitors connected in a series and parallel. What will be the change of effective capacitance? Now we discuss the topic. Okay. In series combinations of combination of 3 capacitors. Now we discuss in series combinations of 3 capacitors. After we will discuss parallel. Okay. So what is the meaning of series combination? We know already studied the resistors are connected in series or parallel at lower level 10th class. Now we discuss same combination series and parallel capacitors. Okay. So మనం 10th class లో ఏం డిస్కస్ చేస్తామంటే రెసిస్టర్స్ అనేవి సిరీస్ లో కనెక్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు parallel లో కనెక్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు వాటి యొక్క ఎఫెక్టివ్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ అక్కడ మనం డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం 10th క్లాస్ లో. సో ఇంటర్మీడియట్ కోర్సుకి ఏం చేస్తామంటే more than 3 capacitors or more than 1 capacitors సిరీస్ లో కనెక్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు at the same time parallel లో కనెక్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు దాని ఈక్వలెన్స్ కెపాసిటెన్సీ ఎట్లా చేంజ్ అవుతుంది లేదా ఈక్వలెన్స్ కెపాసిటెన్స్ యొక్క ఫార్ములా ఏంటి అనేది మనం ఇక్కడ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ లో డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే. జస్ట్ సో So this is the combination of in series. What is the meaning of series? In series combinations, the capacitor, the first capacitor of the second plate is connected with second capacitor of a first plate, and the second capacitor of a second plate is connected with third capacitor of a first plate. So these capacitors are connected in this way such that combination is said to be series combination. The combination is said to be series combination. Okay. So in this series combination, the charge is always constant. The charge is always constant or same. Here the potential difference will be changes each and every capacitor. But the charge of the each and every capacitor is always constant or same. So this is the combination of more than 2 or 3 capacitors. This is said to be combination of a series combination of a capacitors. Okay. So let us see. So here each and every capacitor, the charge of any capacitor is always constant or same. Here the potential difference will be changes. Potential difference will be changes. So therefore, now here the total, here charge, this is the major point, charge is all capacitors. Capacitors is same or constant. Here this is the first concept. Charge is all capacitors is same or constant. So here that is equals to Q is equals to Q1 is equals to Q2 is equals to Q3. అంటే చార్జ్ అనేది ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ కెపాసిటర్ మీదగా సేమ్ గా ఉంటుందండి, అంటే ఈక్వల్ గా ఉంటుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ కాన్స్టెంట్. ఓకే, హియర్ the potential difference is changes each and every capacitor. So therefore, now we calculate the changing of potential difference in a series combination. Okay, are you understand? Now we calculating the changing of potential difference in each and every capacitor, that we will be finished. Okay, so therefore the total potential difference V is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. According to the definition of capacity C is equals to Q by V. Therefore Vc is equals to Q. Now the value is V is equals to Q by C. V is equals to Q by C. Here the total potential V is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So therefore the definition of capacity C is equals to Q by V. Here bracket of multiplication Vc is equals to Q. V is equals to Q by C. So now the value of V1 is said to be V1 is equals to Q by C1. Why? Because the charge is each and every condenser or capacitor is same. Capacitor is also called as condenser. Condenser and capacitor and oktenamma. Right. V1 is equals to Q by C1 and V2 is equals to Q by C2 and V3 is equals to Q by C3. Here Q1, Q2, Q3 don't write. Why? Because here the charge of each and every conductor or condenser is always constant or same. So these values, this is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. Now this is equation 3, this is equation 4. Now these values are substituting in equation 1. Substituting in equation 1, from equation 1 we get what is the value of V? V is equals to Q by C. V is equals to Q by C. V is equals to Q by C. So therefore Q by C. And what is the value of? And what is the value of V1? V1 is equals to Q by C1. And what is the value of V2? Q by C2. And what is the value of V3? Q by C3. Here Q by C is equals to, here Q is constant. Therefore this is the common term, 1 by C1, 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. So therefore here Q cancelled. Therefore 1 by C is equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. So this is the equivalence capacitance of a series combination. Okay, this is the equivalence capacitance. More than 2 capacitors are connected in a series combination. The equivalence capacitance is said to be 1 by C is equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Now we connected number of capacitor in series combination. That means N capacitors are connected in series combination, the formula can be written as 1 by C is equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 so on plus 1 by Cn. So this is the n capacitors are connected in series combination. Okay, n capacitors are connected in series combination. The equivalent capacitance can be written as 1 by C is equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 so on 1 by Cn. So this is the one of the important concept. So now this concept is very important 4 marks. అండ్ బై ఎంసెట్ అండ్ జేఈ నీట్ పర్పస్ లో కూడా మనకు కొన్ని బిట్లు దీనిపైన అడుగుతూ ఉంటాడండి. దానికి మనము కొన్ని పర్టికులర్ పాయింట్స్ చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ మనకి నోట్ చేసుకోవాల్సిన పాయింట్స్ ఏంటంటే మనకి అంటే 2 మార్క్స్ సమ్స్ కూడా దీనిపైన అడుగుతూ ఉంటాడు పబ్లిక్ లో. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఎంసెట్ కూడా కొన్ని బిట్లు అడుగుతూ ఉంటాడు, జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి. ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ కెపాసిటీ. ఛార్జ్ అనేది ఏంటి? ఛార్జ్ సేమ్ అంటే that is equals to Q is equals to Q1, Q2 is equals to Q3. So this is the most important point, first one. And second one, ratio of charges. Ratio of charges. Q is equals to Q1 is to Q2 is to Q3. Q1 is to Q3 that is equals to 1 is to 1 is to 1. So this is the second point. And now third point, total potential. Total potential V is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So this is the third concept, ratio of potentials. Ratio of potentials. V is equals to V1, potentials is equal to V1 is to V2 is to V3 is equals to 1 by C1 is to 1 by C2 is to 1 by C3. 1 by C3. This is the ratio of potentials. And effective resistance. And final one, effective capacitance. 1 by Cs is equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 plus so on 1 by Cn. So this is the main important formula. Nana మీరుంటే రాసుకోండి, వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. మనకి 2 మార్క్స్ సమ్స్ అడుగుతుంటారు దీనిపైన. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం మీకు ఎంసెట్ కానీ జేఈ కానీ మెయిన్స్కి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు దీనిపైన బిట్స్ కూడా అడుగుతూ ఉంటాడండి. కాబట్టి మీరు రివైజ్ చేయండి, బిట్లు చేసేటప్పుడు కంపల్సరీగా దీనిపైన అడుగుతూ ఉంటాడు. సిరీస్ కాంబినేషన్ ఇదంతా కూడా మనకి అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ అంటే ఐపీ లెవెల్లో మనం చెప్తాం అంటే 4 మార్క్స్ కి. బట్ దీని మీద కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్ బిట్ ఎలా వస్తుందంటే ఈ పాయింట్స్ మీద వస్తుంది. అండర్స్టాండ్? ఇక్కడ సిరీస్ కాంబినేషన్ లో చార్జ్ అనేది కాన్స్టెంట్ సేమ్. కాబట్టి Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q3. ఇది ఫార్ములా. చార్జ్ అడిగండి. రేషియో ఆఫ్ చార్జెస్ అంటే 1:1:1. Why? Because here there is no changing of charge. Next, total potential V is equals to V1 plus V2. అంటే సిరీస్ కాంబినేషన్ లో సమ్ కెపాసిటర్స్ అని సిరీస్ లో కనెక్ట్ చేశాడు. అప్పుడు టోటల్ పొటెన్షియల్ అడుగుతాడు. ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? V1 plus V2 plus V3. So ratio of potential V1 is to V2 is to V3 is equals to 1 by C1 is equals to 1 by C2 is to 1 by C3. Effective resistance formula ఏంటి? 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. అలా n capacitors అయితే so on 1 by Cn. This is the main important formula. Okay. So next class we will discuss the number of capacitors in parallel combination. What will be the change of effective capacitance in a parallel combination. Okay, next class lo manam dani discuss chedam. Thank you one and all.